Deep cleaning on Acer Travelmate P214 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Joan, for trusting PETIT Solutions. A full deep cleaning service was carried out on the Acer Travelmate P214 laptop to restore proper thermal performance and ensure reliable system operation. The process began with the careful disassembly of the laptop to access critical internal components, including the cooling fan, heatsink, motherboard, and ventilation areas. Dust, dirt, and debris that had accumulated over time were thoroughly removed using anti-static tools, compressed air, and a soft brush. Special attention was given to the cooling system to eliminate blockages in the fan and air vents that could restrict airflow and cause overheating. The old thermal paste on the CPU was carefully cleaned off and replaced with a high-quality thermal compound to enhance heat dissipation and maintain lower operating temperatures. After the cleaning was completed, the laptop was reassembled and tested to ensure proper fan functionality, stable system temperatures, and overall performance. This deep cleaning has improved the cooling efficiency of the Acer Travelmate P214 laptop and helps extend its lifespan by preventing heat-related issues. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.